Hey everybody, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care. Today we are talking about stripes in a lawn after it has been mowed. A little bit of why it has it, a little bit of what you can do if it doesn't to help you understand how to make your lawn look even better. Is it the company that's mowing it? Is there something else that needs to be done? We're gonna go over all of that today. So first, the stripe. What is this? What are the lines I see in my lawn? So this starts with people cutting your lawn in perfectly straight lines. Sometimes you'll see team members of different companies mowing in circles. That's not going to get you those crisp, nice lines. You're not going to be able to see anything on the lawn. It has to be done in perfect lines. That's why when you see team members that are working on at our company and they're sharing pictures of what they've done, they're always bragging about how straight the lines are, how perfect the lines are, kind of who can do it better competition all the time. And that is always getting driven out of really making sure it's laying the lawn over, laying the grass over. Now, if you don't have this can mean certain things in your lawn. One, companies could potentially be mowing it in circles, just mowing it from the outside all the way in. That's not going to give you the clean, striped lawn look that you see on everyone's lawn that is the envy of the lawn. It could also be that the consistency of the quality of grass. Maybe you don't have a lawn that is full and thick of healthy grass and it's got more weeds, or a grass that doesn't stripe as well. These are all things that can cause this. Now, grasses like St. Augustine in Florida, when they're thick and lush, they will stripe, but they will never stripe as well as lawns when they are fescues, bluegrasses, thinner blade grass that really lays over and stripes. Now, the biggest issue is not the thickness of the blade. The biggest issue is when you get to a lawn that is all weeds, it just does not lay. The structure of it's not the tall blade. There's a lot more stem in it, and it can completely keep you from having any stripes at all. So what you're going to do is, number one, want to make sure that the team, the company that you hire is mowing the lawn in nice straight lawns, and that they're actually trying to achieve that striped lawn look. And secondly, if they're doing that and you're still not seeing it, then you're going to want to go back and look and see, what's the health of my lawn? Is it thick, green, and lush, or is it really dry from drought or stress, and is it full of weeds? So ultimately what you're going to want to do is be maintaining it from an irrigation standpoint, fertilization, weed control standpoint, so you have a thick, healthy lawn. That is the type of lawn that's going to stripe the best.